What's up, guys? Dre Hall here, Facebook and YouTube. Follow me, subscribe if you're new. Right, we're gonna go ahead and get this started. Right, we got some Facebook training on our website. You can get access to that as a bonus when you get started with Digital Cash Club today. But what I'm going over today is some results that didn't come from Facebook. Right, I got 2 new leads for Digital Cash Club. Now I talked to one of these people. Right, he wanted to talk in person. He sent me his number. I talked to him, and you see, right, he was straightforward. I think he asked how much it was to get started. I let him know the cost, and then I sent him what he asked for: the custom funnel, the regular capture page, landing page that you get when you get started. What this landing page allows you to do is collect payments on autopilot. What that means is, right, this website, when I'm asleep, my website's still going to be up working for me. What do you get with the Digital Cash Club? It's newbie friendly beginner to advanced marketing training. You're going to learn how to use YouTube Live, Facebook Live, grow your business with Instagram, grow your business with LinkedIn. You're going to learn how to start a coaching for profits video training. Now, this alone, you can start a coaching business anywhere you want, and you can set your own prices. What are you worth? If you want to know how to increase your worth, this Digital Cash Club product, it could teach you the skills that you could coach other people on, right? And you'll be proficient enough to use these skills to grow your own coaching business, etc. Things like that. These videos all work hand in hand. You could create a master plan of your own and sell that master plan. One time $250 to get started. Right, this is how it looks when you're coming to the site to buy, and you set up your payment processor wherever you want. I have a Google Doc set up with my payment information. So how do I promote Digital Cash Club? YouTube videos, right, or on Facebook. If you guys want the Facebook training, I'll include that as a bonus. This Facebook training, you'll be able to generate 5 to 10 leads extra per day, which means you'll be in position to earn an extra $250 to $500 per day. This is my website, right? The video, you guys might have seen this video already. It's 4 minutes. Everybody, you break even, and this was I go over the information. I also show sales proof in this video below. Right, so let me pull that up for you guys. I was actually live, and the lady was getting started while I was making my video. I seen the notification come up. Join my free group. The notification came up behind my picture on the screen, right? That's how I knew to check my account and log back in to check it. You guys can check this. If you're interested in learning marketing in general, I'll see you guys on the inside. Right, 4:17 p.m. at the time now. Let's go to Google. Right here, I actually refreshed it. You'll be able to see the 417 turn into, I think, 418. Or it was 417 now. You see it's expected February 25th. I'll see you guys on the next video. Where's 417 time now? Right, I'll see you guys on the inside. Marketing in general. Come over to take advantage of my bonuses when you get started today. Come over to the website. Right, so besides all that, you're gonna get this bonus website too, which is high converted. It's pretty straightforward with a lot of information to help you get to that next level. This stuff is easy, guys. Here's my Facebook if you guys need help getting started. My name is Dre Hall. Subscribe if you're new to the Little Self-Made Millionaires channel. I'll see you on the next video.